You know, in this battle for the soul of America, democracy prevailed. We, the people, voted. Faith in our institutions held. In America, politicians don't take power. People grant power to them. The flame of democracy was lit in this nation a long time ago. And we now know nothing, not even a pandemic or an abuse of power, can extinguish that flame. The court sent a clear signal to President Trump that there would be no part of an unprecedented assault on our democracy.